What's up, guys? Thought I'd do something different today. Do a day in the life of RCeveryday. Just got out in the shop. It is 9 o'clock. First thing I got to do is had to start the printer. Take a body off the printer, get that one put up on the website, get all the support stuff off of it. Next thing I got to do is pack a couple orders that we got overnight, and that'll take 20 minutes or so. And see where this day takes us. It's a little support in weird places sometimes. Scrape it off. This one, unfortunately, the print, it ran out of filament halfway through, so we have a hard line. So this one will be listed for a good bit cheaper on the website. So it's not perfect. See the different colors in the filament. I think it's supposed to start automatically, but I still haven't figured out how to fine tune that yet. Ow. These little pieces out. Still not bad. Just has that one line all the way around. There's another line there, so still fine-tuning the process. Uploading pictures to the site, starting to pack orders. It's always neat to see you got 2 orders overnight. Somebody is getting all the stuff for their rat rod build, and somebody else is starting a new build with a shop truck. Some of my budget-friendly bedsides. Get the Reefs 99, micro servo horn, front suspension links, and some radiator hose. Alright, orders are packed. I did forget to mention, as I didn't plan on doing this till I got out here, but I get up about 8 and I spend about 20 to 40 minutes a day just catching up with all the social media accounts, responding to comments and messages and all of that. So that's the first thing I do before I even get out of bed, to get to work on all that stuff. Getting back in touch with you guys, and yeah. So orders are caught up. I'm going to give the printer a little bit longer. I like to get at least the first couple layers of the actual print down. Make sure we're not having any sticking issues with the print bed and things like that. It's 13.5-hour print for these bodies over here, so I want to make sure it gets off to a good start. Then I think I'll go back in the house, take me a shower, and maybe eat something and figure out what's next for today. I just realized it's been almost 2 years since I built this studio. Just made a post about that, showing the progress. How open it used to be, and now the cluttered mess we have here. Stuff everywhere. Barely any room to walk. Had to sell some rigs a couple weeks ago to make space in here. We got one empty spot on that side. Maybe one over here. It's definitely been quite a journey. When I started this, I was just doing YouTube. Quit my job trying to make it as a YouTuber, and that wasn't working. And we got the kits going, and yeah, the rest has been history. So we definitely need some more space, but I don't know how to go about that at this point in time. But anyway, it is now about 9:45. Go inside, take a shower, and I gotta get a haircut today and go to the post office. And waiting on some stuff to come from Amazon so I can finish up a video on the service truck build. I've got some paint drying over here on these wheels for the boom racing build. I think I have another video to edit still. I keep up with all of that mess. Actually have 4 videos in the works right now, so yeah. Gotta finish filming that one. That's the most important. Get that done, get that off the workbench so I can do other stuff. I gotta get back on the boom truck build, as well as some other stuff that we'll find out about later. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Are you happy? All right, check it in. It's 10:38, 10:28. Had to redo one of the orders. That's the problem with being Johnny on the spot. He decided an hour later he needed to pick up a cab to go with his rat rod chassis that he already got and all the accessories he got this morning. So went ahead and repacked that, refunded him the double shipping because I hadn't shipped it yet. So we got our Amazon stuff from yesterday. Got some steering wheels. So that will go in this truck. I got the dash weathered, but I did not like that stock steering wheel. So we'll work on this video later this evening. I'll put one of these on the parts wall for later use with all these other goodies that I need to get to one of these days. Now maybe I can take a shower. All right guys, it's a little afternoon, headed to town. I just got a shipment of chassis rails for the shop trucks. The printed parts still aren't here yet. I haven't even started printing actually, but go check the mailbox and go to the post office, drop off these orders, then go get a haircut. My barber moved a couple towns away, so I'll hit that on the way back. I just had to look like a shaggy dog a little longer. Leaving the post office. It is 12:36. Always get a receipt, even if you do a shipping service like I do and they're prepaid. They may get annoyed at you in the post office, but until they lose one at the actual post office you drop it off at, and then they go find it with your receipt when there's no tracking. Just a tip there. Just a quick inspection. Some shiny new shop truck chassis. All right, package secured. Gonna go get a haircut now. It's about 25 minutes away, just checking on social media stuff, checking emails, checking YouTube comments. Try to keep an eye on everything throughout the day. No videos today. What's today? Wednesday. Been doing 2 a week, just trying to save on work. I've been getting more orders, so I haven't had as much time to film, but yeah, off to get a haircut finally. Alright guys, now 1:22. Head back home, start filming I think. I need to eat something, I haven't eaten yet. I forgot the best way home from here. There's more construction everywhere I go. I'm gonna stop for some drinks at this Love's. Not that Love's, this Love's. Do another social media check emails and things like that. All right, 2:33. Back in the shop. Checked on the print. Everything's looking good with that. Caught up on social media. Next step, take an inventory, make sure I didn't get shorted any chassis rails, and deal with all that trash. Some of you may recognize I reuse a lot of this kind of packing because it's really good for chassis kits. I haven't had to buy much packing materials in a while because I just reuse the stuff that everything comes in. So, yeah, after that, time to get to work finishing up this video, and we'll see where we go. It's, yeah, afternoon already. These days fly by. All right, got them all tucked away, counted and numbered. Still got 7 hours and 44 minutes. Yeah. All right, it's 2:50, about to start filming. Got to do some painting and put some music on and try to get in the zone. I've got another little video here I need to finish, so we may have 2 videos to edit tonight. All right, guys, time is now 4:23 in the afternoon. Just finished up filming the interior build on this after a few days of waiting on parts. Now I have to edit a thumbnail picture for the YouTube thing. I use all my video or my photo stuff on this old laptop, and I do all my video stuff on the newer iMac. So it's transferred over the files. It's handy using the phone. It's easy to send stuff between all the Apple products without having to have SD cards and things like that. So do the photo now. Got a couple of little things to do before I sit down and start editing. This video is going to be a mess because I've got a lot of video clips already. So yay. All right guys, 5:36 p.m. Just finished editing the video. About an hour. So it's processing. It'll probably take about 45 minutes to upload. Not too long ago, I had no good internet at the house, so I used to have to go to Walmart every day and steal their Wi-Fi to upload videos in the parking lot. So now we've got fiber optics finally out here in this area. It's helped a lot, and I can do more than one thing at a time on the internet. Print's got about 4.5 hours, 4 hours 48 minutes, so looks like that'll be 10, 11-ish tonight. We'll get that swapped out for another one. Yeah, not sure what to do next. Go inside and get another water and take a bathroom break. All right, video's got about 50 minutes of uploading left. We'll clean up the shop, see if we can knock out filming at least, wrapping up another video, get that all done and said while that's uploading. Like I said, the print's got 4 hours and a half or so. So I just walked outside and there's 2 dogs chasing a deer down the street. That was exciting. Went in and grabbed a little bite to eat. Got me some more water and keep on keeping on. All right, it's about 6:30. Video's about done uploading. I did another video. It was going to be from printed part to painted to usable. These were some sliders that are in the Boom Racing fan page. Apparently that's a hang-up point on these, the front or the rear shackle. And I did a whole thing from printing, getting the file and printing it out and painting it and doing all this. But now that I've got it done, there's not really enough to make a whole video. So that'll get thrown in my scrap bin for the end of the year. And I kind of have all my bloopers and outtakes and things from throughout this 2024. All right, next thing on the list, I'm trying to make a little one. I had a handful of people wanting these for SCX 24s. So I printed out a few of these. I sent one off to a customer. Actually, he has some 24 scale. And he sent me back some measurements. It's a little small. So I'm working right now to try to resize it. I'm thinking this will work based off of the dimensions he's sent me, so I'm gonna queue one of these up. Probably won't print it till tomorrow. I'll print another full-size one tonight, and we can start one of these in the middle of the day tomorrow, sneak it in. But gotta go through and check all my settings here, make sure where's quality. I think I'm gonna print this one out of. Let's change the material. Change filament. I need to use some of that stuff in my slot 1. That should be enough to do one. All right, I got it down to 3 hours, 46 minutes. I had some stuff wrong, of course. Still learning this. So we might give it a shot for that. But like I said, we'll run that tomorrow. All right, guys, it's 8:50. Made some progress on the boom truck. Started on that video. Finally got it a roller. I'm waiting to see that. But still got a couple hours left on the print. Night is winding down. I got to catch up on social media. On all the comments and stuff from you guys on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and whatever else there is. So, yeah, I'm just going to chill back and relax till this print's done and do all that. All right, guys. It's almost 11 o'clock. Got a pretty good print out of this one. It's one little line here on the front, but not bad. Put that on the website in the morning. Got another one started. I'm just going to check it. Let it get the first layer down, make sure everything's sticking good, and we'll do all this again tomorrow. I thought this would be fun, just something different. Day in the life of what I do every day. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but when you're your own boss, you know, it's not that bad of a guy, so it's pretty, you're more motivated when you're doing work for yourself, when you're doing all this stuff on your own, and I highly encourage anybody, if you find a way to get into something that you enjoy and get out of the slave labor trade at factories and retail and all of that horrible stuff that I've done before. Give it a shot. We're not getting rich. We're not buying mansions and fancy stuff, but I'm getting by, and I'm having a lot better time. It's a lot easier on my body. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Get out there and have some fun with the hobby. Keep it scale, and I'll see you next time.